Thank you for watching Art Fanatic. If you want more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.
Attention park users. This is a test of the park's outdoor warning siren. This is only a test.
Perfect. Actually works. To a second alert? That was not loud, actually. God, that was so successful. Holy shit. Siren's still down there going on. was early.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The current time is 11:07 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. at the Rochester International Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 65, and the relative humidity 73%. The wind was west at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 25.
Let's review what activated. Sorry about that, I got a dog, but the 991 went off, the 260 went off, the V3 did not go off, the V5s typically go off, the V4 did not go off, the 74200 activated, the Oregon Scientific, the G-Storm did not activate, the Zone Guard Pluses did not have batteries, the Accurate activated, the 261 activated, the EAR-10 activated, the Emerson activated, the 400 and the 300, the 247, and the 240 and the 249.
What? Sunny.
The 262 activated. This was on KXI 68, so it didn't go off. The 310, I don't know why. The F800 didn't go off. Those are just weather band radios. Again, these are weather band radios, so they don't have a siren. The General Electric activated. The HH did not go off because the battery's dead. Going into the other room, the WM120 is the only radio in this room that actually managed to go off. Right away at 1. Bruh!
Activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and during dangerous weather situations.
Oh my god, no! You fell too?
These radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
I was not expecting you to be on like this.
For the red wing area. Today, partly cloudy in the morning and clearing. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Highs in the mid-60s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Thursday.
Early, you all failed to go off. Oh yeah, throw that in there. Thank you for watching Art Fanatic. If you want more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.